Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an IRS payment plan online. First, it's important to understand the different options available, such as short-term payment plans or installment agreements. Will help you determine if you qualify for an online payment agreement, which is often the quickest method. Before you begin, make sure to gather all your essential financial information to ensure a smooth application process. This preparation will save you time and effort. To be eligible for an online payment agreement, individuals must owe a combined total of under $50,000, which includes tax, penalties, and interest. For businesses, the total amount owed must be under $25,000. A crucial step is ensuring all your required tax returns have been filed. The IRS needs this information to process your request. Meeting these criteria allows you to proceed with the online application efficiently and effectively. The online application process is straightforward. First, navigate to the official IRS website and locate the online payment agreement section. You'll then be prompted to enter your personal and financial information. It's vital to provide accurate details to avoid delays. Carefully review all the information you've entered before submitting your proposed payment plan. The system will guide you through each step, making it easy to complete. After submitting your online payment plan, the IRS will review your application. You will typically receive a confirmation of your agreement or, in some cases, a request for additional information. Once approved, you can set up payments, often through direct debit from your bank account, for convenience. It is extremely important to adhere to the terms of your agreement to avoid defaulting, which could lead to further penalties and collection actions. Stay on track with your payments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.